Hello friends. In this video I am going to show how to install Project Sakura official ROM. Let's start the video. This is Project Sakura official ROM. Let's check out Settings app. This ROM gives good battery. This ROM is best at gaming. This ROM is very smooth and stable. This ROM has efficient app lock and face lock. Also, this ROM has huge customization. Project Sakura is based on Lineage OS. For more information, visit My Blogspot. Let's install the ROM. Requirements: bootloader must be unlocked. 64-bit TWRP installed. Link is in description. I am not responsible for any brick of your device. Take backup of your important data before flashing ROM. Go to TWRP. Now flash Project Sakura zip. Now flash NetGAF zip. Now click on Format Data. Type Yes. Now, reboot to system. Thanks for watching.